Gemma, how's the subscriber count coming along?
Let me check, boss. Hold on, I have to hack into H-Villain's YouTube account. Ah, here we go, let's see. $210.
Excellent. Everything is going according to plan.
Good, everything is going well. Soon we will have 1,000 subscribers.
Yes, very soon indeed. But now, I have something I have to do.
And what's that?
Give a shout out to the 4 awesome people who commented the Panichi Chronicles episode 7 within the time limit. Okay, first shout out goes to
MLSA Productions!
They are a Halo Chat YouTube channel. So if you like Halo, go there and chat with people. It'll be fun. Next shout out goes to Labrador 0101. Apparently a huge fan of Stupid Mario Brothers. They have some pretty cool stuff on there, so go check that channel out. Alright, next shout out.
Where Girl Loves Link.
I guess another Stupid Mario Brothers fanatic, but still cool because she left a comment on the Panichi Chronicles episode 7. So yeah, you're awesome. And last but not least, 1994 member. H-Villain's known him for a while. He's a pretty cool person. So check out his channel. Well, that pretty much wraps up the shoutouts. So please help us reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this summer, so H-Villain can keep his job. Isn't that right, boss?
That's right. Now please subscribe. Or else.